The 2020-2023 Toyota Supra uses a smart oil life monitor, estimating oil degradation based on mileage, driving conditions, and engine load. When oil life reaches 0%, the service due light appears, wrench icon. Resetting after each oil change is crucial to clear the alert and ensure accurate tracking. This prevents unnecessary warnings and keeps your Supra running smoothly. Ideally, change your oil every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, or 6 to 12 months, then reset the monitor. Here's how to manually reset the oil life monitor on your 2020-2023 Supra. First, turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Next, using the steering wheel controls or touchscreen, navigate to the Vehicle Settings menu. Then select Maintenance, then Oil Maintenance. Next, choose Reset and confirm with Yes. Finally, turn the ignition off and then restart the engine to ensure the service due light has cleared. Alternatively, if you have Toyota's Connected Services app, you may be able to reset the oil life monitor remotely through the app. Check your app for the Maintenance section.